Hi, this is Fleur Allen. This is my latest website, Passion to Purpose. I'll just show you around the website. So this is my About page, which is about me. If you hear some scampering in the audio, it shouldn't pick it up, but it's just my kittens coming over and having a look at what I'm doing because I've suddenly just started talking. Sorry about that. I wanted to show you around my new website, Passion to Purpose. It's called Passion to Purpose because it's about turning a passion into a purposeful, profitable online business. I've been turning passions into businesses for over the last 10 years. And now I'm wanting to show people how to do it with a web-based business rather than traditional offline business with a shop front or what have you. So my background, I created a business called Interactive Arts, which was an online art gallery. I worked with artists and sold original artwork for about 6 years. I also ran a business called Property with Purpose, and that's where the purposeful business stuff started to come in. And that was a property mentoring business. And then Interactive Arts, the online art gallery, became Out of the Box Biz. It's the exact same structure as a business, but I just shifted the audience from artists only and selling art to people in business. So that's this website. I'll come back to this in just a moment. But this is a quick tour, just sharing a little bit about myself and this new website. So we'll just go back to the home page, which is actually the blog. And I've been learning how to blog properly, although I've been doing it on and off for the last 10 years. I feel like I've actually learned how to do it properly now, probably in the last year. And that was through a business called Wealthy Affiliate, which is a training program. You also get access to free websites and free web hosting as part of your membership, etc. And because I've had such positive experience with that business, supporting me and developing me as a business owner, I've created this website, Passion to Purpose, because it's talking about how you can turn your passion into a purposeful, profitable business through this organisation, this business community called Wealthy Affiliate. And this is my review here about it. But this video is not talking about that. It's really to give you a little quick look around this website. So back to the home page, I always have a Monday motivation that's been going for about 3 weeks now. So this is a really brand new website. It's only been going for a short time. I've changed from rather having a daily affirmation to having a weekly intention. So today is Tuesday that I'm filming this. So yesterday I updated this Monday motivation post to the quote of, "I can't change the direction of the wind, but I can adjust my sails to always reach my destination." So true in life and in business. So that's there, and I have so you start here. Now, if you want to receive these 5 essential steps via email, then you just sign up for our Passion to Purpose tribe messages, and there should be a pop-up that comes up, but because it's I've been on it, I may have clicked it off before I started. So anyway, if you're not sure if the pop-up doesn't happen, then just send me a message. So just send me a message here on Contact Us. Sorry, it works. I've just changed things around, shifted the social buttons over there and the Contact Us page there. Anyway, learning about my own website. Like I say, it's brand new. So I take you to these 5 essential steps to achieve online success. And in actual fact, it's any success, whether it be offline traditional business, online business. Really, these points are relevant in anything in life, whether it be business or in life. So if you want to receive those via email, just let me know. And once you're part of our tribe, you not only receive these 5 essential steps, you also receive a visualization that I've been using for years. I started using it in my property with purpose business, actually, but you definitely receive that. And the idea is to work through each of these to set you up with the solid foundations of success in business. And then you can, what happens is you receive any of my blog posts first. You're the first to receive them. You get a notification through the e-newsletter, and that means you're the first to comment and share it and those sorts of things, which is pretty cool, pretty exciting. So as I mentioned before, I'll talk about my other business, Out of the Box Biz. But before I do, so for the Passion to Purpose tribe and community, to participate, it's all about commenting on the existing posts and engaging that way as a community and receiving the e-newsletters. As it's linked directly to this Wealthy Affiliate online community, then as soon as you become a member via my website, so if you click one of my affiliate links, then I'm there on the other side in Wealthy Affiliate, whether it's a free starter membership or a paid premium membership. I'm still there to guide you and assist you, and that is a community, but you can have discussions there as well. But if you're wanting to, and for Passion to Purpose, this website is really aimed for people specifically wanting to earn an income like a laptop style lifestyle. That's a bit of a tongue twister, isn't it? I started out as an at-home mum. It may be for at-home parents or those wanting to create a part-time income while they're doing a full-time role and then transition. Or it could be people that with a high value of travel and just want to earn an income while they're traveling. So if you speak to that niche, then I'm happy to consider guest blog posts as another way of engaging with this community. But if you're just wanting to promote your own business, irrespective of what the niche is, Out of the Box Biz is an e-commerce website, and our members can put their products up for as part of their membership, and they can also contribute with blog posts, as one of our members recently has done here. But if you want to know more about that, just make contact with me. That's just a little aside. So back to Passion to Purpose. And just before I finish, so this is the blog roll. I also point out how you can have access to free websites and freebies along the way. But I'll just leave you on my most recent achievement was in this community called Wealthy Affiliate, where I achieved ambassador membership rank. So ambassador members are the top 25 members. Now this is a business community of over 800,000, so almost 1 million entrepreneurs online, based out of the US, Canada, so North America. So I'm pretty proud of that. And that's really my tour of my website. So if you want to see more reviews of more recommendations of what I'm suggesting works for a successful online business, then you can just go here to reviews. For general information on how to succeed in business in this type of business structure, being an online web-based business, the blog roll is here. That's my About Me page, which I said before. The number one recommendation is this online community. It's more than an online community, but that's not for the purpose of this video. And if you want to contact me, just click here, Contact Us. Feel free to share anything on this website. So if you've got any questions, please send me a message or leave a comment on a relevant blog post, and I'd love to help you out. Thanks for your time.